So I got my cheap oscilloscope here, and we're taking readings from the poor man's rife. Running 778 over here, off of the PFG, which is driving the poor man's rife. And let's keep on messing around with different frequencies. There's 880. Measurements window. The thing compared to the True Rife machines is this is holding the frequencies and the patterns look identical. And this is just something, you know, with zip ties and everything that you saw me put together in, you know, half an hour. I'm going to do 30,000 hertz because that was the claim, is that this thing could, you know, maybe reach up that high. See the signals? They've shrunk quite a bit. What's that say? Yeah, 30,000 hertz. So, some companies got some explaining to do. That 1800 hertz running. What's it say? 1800. Okay, let's do something like 19,500. I don't know what that's for. Hopefully I won't grow a horn out of my head or anything. What's that doing? Oh, yeah, what I'm telling it to do. Because it's a pulse tech device. And I can definitely feel quite a bit from this too. There's 787. Adjust my time-based controls again. Beep. You look for the symmetry in the wave. You can even look at the measurements window, and it's damn close, and it's hitting it a lot. Now maybe with this one you don't have to run sweeps so much, but maybe you do. Sweeps and microsteps. I've got a lot of work putting frequencies from this into the Zyto so that everyone can get read up on that. 660, why not? Run something like 10. Can you run 10 hertz with that? It's measurements window's not really even picking that up.